Good morning, students. Myself V. Narsimlu, lecturer in physics, GDC Banswara. Today, students, we are going to learn about semester 2, physics 1. The title of it is represented by thermal physics. Physics paper 1 and semester 2 syllabus is represented by the thermal physics. This thermal physics contain 4 units. First unit is represented by the 2 lessons. One is the kinetic theory of gases. Second lesson is thermodynamics. And similarly, the second unit is consists 2 lessons: thermodynamic potentials and Maxwell equations. Fourth is represented by low temperature physics. And similarly, unit third is indicated by the quantum theory of radiation. So Max Planck scientist, he has propounded and determined the quantum radiation by Max Planck's representation. Detailed information we have studied in this unit third. And last and least, unit fourth of thermal physics syllabus is statistical mechanics. What is meant by this statistical mechanics? So in that statistical, the particles is there, its ensembles, and how to the ensembles can be changes. What is the grand canonical and microcanonical ensembles? Then Fermi-Dirac, Bose-Einstein and Maxwell distributions laws. They're all the we are going to learn in fourth unit. This is a complete syllabus of the semester second physics first paper. So student, today now let us how to take the introduction of the first unit. In first unit, the very important lesson is thermodynamics is there. How to the thermodynamics is produced. Now let us how to discuss about these fundamentals. So in unit 1, the lesson second is represented by the thermodynamics. So here thermodynamics means what? What is indicates? Nothing but. So in that title is the thermal physics or thermal. Thermal means heat, energy, heat. And dynamics. Dynamics means what is here? It is a branch of physics which can be deals with the motion of an objects. Dynamic means motion of an object is called as a dynamics. So here which is the comes under the motion of an object means thermal energy, heat energy. Heat can be what happen here transfer from one place to another place. For example, let us we have to consider in a summer season, the hot winds will be blowing from one place to another place. So due to that, number of persons can be suffering with hot winds. So that's why. So here what happen? High pressure to what happen? Low pressure, the air will be transferred. At that moment, it can absorb the heat energy from the sun. So the gas will be heated. Due to that, what happen? It will move from high pressure to low pressure. So as like the high pressure to low pressure, when it will be moving, the heat will be transferred. So as like thermal energy can be what happen here? Dynamic, it will be move one place to another place. That's why thermodynamics is a branch of physics which can be used to deals with the transmission of the thermal energy or heat energy from one place to another place is called as a thermodynamics. Understood, students, properly? Is called thermodynamics. What is the thermodynamics here? Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which can be used to explain or deals with the transfer of the heat energy from one place to another place. So in this concept, okay, the number of parameters are comes under the thermal physics or thermodynamics. So what are the parameters comes under this? Now let us we have to take these fundamental parameters. When you have to understood these parameters, upon that only we can learn the what is total topic very easiest manner. In that, what is meant by the here first heat, temperature. What is meant by the heat or heat energy? Means nothing but what is here. Suppose for example sun, you can take from sun, the heat will be evolving. You can take the what is here. Suppose okay, fire you can take, heat is emitted from that. Means what is meant by the heat here? Heat is nothing but the form of energy. The form of energy of an object or a substance is called as a heat energy or heat. This is a form of energy which can be produced by the different okay, sources. So it can be denoted by Q. Heat energy can be denoted by what is here? Capital Q. Then next, what is meant by the here temperature? What is here? Temperature. Do you know what is meant by the temperature? So when we have to okay, suffering with fever, we went to the doctor. Immediately he will observe our temperature by using thermometer. So okay, how much we got? Suppose let us we have to assume okay, 1 or 2 or okay, 100 degrees centigrade, 101 degrees centigrade, as like okay, temperature is contained. So here see temperature means what is here? Okay, if any object we can take. So such as here we are suffering with fever. So what happen? Our body temperature will be increases when compared to the okay, environmental temperature, natural temperature. As like the imbalances takes place in between the okay, two objects, environment and okay, human body. So therefore here okay, how to we will define the what is temperature? The increasing or decreasing of the or the hotness or coldness of an object is called as a temperature. What is the temperature here? The hotness or coldness of an object is called as a temperature. It can be denoted by small t, that equal to 0 degree centigrade we can take, or 270, what is here we can take the 30 degree centigrade, and so far we can take small t. But this can be converted into the what is here Kelvin. So capital T equal to 273 plus small t okay, degree centigrade we can add. So for centigrade we can add the 273 degrees, then we will get the what is here Kelvin. Okay, the temperature of the Kelvin units is represented by the capital T, that equal to small t plus 273 degree Kelvin is comes. As like temperature is obtained. Then the third parameter is represented by the what is the work? Nothing but okay, the capacity due to what is here? What is the work here? Work is nothing but and the force is applied on an object, it can be displaced. So work done by the particle is takes place. So the work can be defined as the product of dot product of the force and displacement. So W equal to we can write F into F dot S. Okay, as like the here in thermal physics, the work done by the particle is depends upon the what happened here thermal energy. Okay, so here the heat energy can be what happened here, it will be observed or emitted due to the transmission of the okay, heat. So in order to we can define the what is here work, the capacity to what happened here the work, the heat energy can be done by the particle can be represented by okay, dW equal to okay, we can take the what is the PdV. How to we can represent this okay, dW equal to PdV means pressure and volume is there. So the total work can be okay, we have to define any object, it is impossible. So we can take the what is divide into small parts. In that small work done by the particle is represented by the dW we can take. Understand here? So that's why the change of the heat energy dq will be depends upon the what is here dw, and the work done is equivalent to the dw equal to what is here the change of the heat energy dq is comes. This heat energy or the work done can be classified into two types. The work done by the an object we can take system, and work done on the system is takes place when the system and here surroundings comes. What is by the here system? The work done by the system I am telling here, work done on the system is comes. So what is by the here system? System means suppose for example we can take the what is here, okay, our college is there, college different okay rooms are there. So each one MPC, MPCS, BJC, first year, second year, different classrooms are indicated by the what is here systems. These are the systems is indicates. So here, okay, how to we will define that system? Means the whole college, total whole college, the particular classroom or particular part, okay, is called as a system. So we have to define what is here the whole part, total whole part, the particular specific part is called as a system. So as like, okay, we can define the system. What is the surroundings? What are surroundings? Surroundings means, okay, the substances which are effect on the system and having the outside of the system. And suppose for example environment what happened here, okay, we can take the what is here different trees, okay, environment and what is the air is there, different surrounding what is here atmosphere is there. That atmosphere what happened here, it will be effect on the system. System means we are the system. So in summer, okay, hot what is the gases to hot, okay, winds to we are suffering. That will be environment will be effect on the what is system, and okay, outside of the system is contained. So the substances which are outside the system and effect on the system is called as a surroundings. As like a system and surroundings are consist in a system and surroundings, in between the heat energy, heat can be transferred. Heat can be what happened here transferred. So here, okay, heat can be transferred means in that the main concept another parameter is comes. What is the source? What is here source? Source is nothing but the reservoir. Or suppose for example Sri Ram Sagar project you can take in okay, Nizam Sagar project you can take. This is a reservoir. Reservoir what happened here, plenty of water is there and stored in that water, okay, in that way. So here that water will be stored in a reservoir, so it has kind of source. Means how to we will define simple examples, due to examples we have to explain, we can easily understand the subject. Means here the instead of the water we have take the what is a heat energy or heat. Means the substance which has the what is here, okay, high heat energy and high temperature. High heat energy means you can take the Q1, high temperature is the T1 you can take, high heat energy and high temperature of the reservoir is called as a source. What is the source here? Okay, the source can be defined as the high heat energy and temperature of the reservoir is called as a source. Simple example, okay, sun is a source, okay, fire is a source, candle is a source, light is a source. As like we can take the what is here, the source can be defined as like. What is means the source, from the source if heat energy is observed or temperature is observed or heat energy is supplied, temperature is supplied to that, it does not change. Suppose okay, sun is there, from sun we can obtain the lot of heat, isn't it? We are supply the what heat to the sun or obtain the sun, isn't it? We okay changes? No, the heat energy of the heat of the sun does not changes in million, trillion, brillions you can take years. So therefore, okay, the heat energy of the source does not changes, it is remains constant. Similarly, what is meant by the sink here? Sink can be defined as the lower temperature and lower heat energy of a substance or reservoir is called as a sink. Sink is nothing but not able to say after meals we have washed what is the hands in which place it is called isn't it a sink? No, that sink is different. Sink is means here low temperature, low heat energy of a reservoir is called as a sink. So sink reservoir, sink contain always low temperature. This is the T2 and heat energy is the Q2 is contained. So less temperature is contained, less heat energy is contained when compared to source. So as like, source and sink can be defined. Source is the what is the high heat energy of the reservoir. Sink is the low heat energy of the reservoir. So as like when we have discussed about this main important parameters, the another important parameters are there. One is the what is the isothermal process. What is here? Isothermal process. The process which can be deals with the at a constant temperature. The pressure and volume of the substances changes is called as a isothermal process. What is the isothermal process? At a constant temperature, the pressure and volume of the substance changes is called as a isothermal process. In isothermal process, the temperature remains constant. Similarly, adiabatic process. What is the adiabatic process? In which process the heat energy remains constant and pressure and volume of it will be changes is called as a adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, what happens? Heat energy Q remains constant. Pressure P, volume V will be changes. As like we have to discuss about the what is here the isothermal process, adiabatic process. These are all the process can be used to. We have to explain the transmission of thermal energy. So it is called as a thermodynamics. So in this concept, so what is meant by the here zeroth law of thermodynamics is comes. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. Main important topics are coming here. From this topic to he will ask in examinations. So what is the zeroth law of thermodynamics? So it can be simply we can define. Let us we have to take the 3 thermal systems. Let us we have to consider 2 thermal systems. In that thermal systems A comma B comma C. The A thermal system will be and heat energy will be contained the A, B, C. If the system A will be equilibrium with the system B in thermally, and A can be equilibrium with the C system, that equal to A equal to C, A equal to B and A equal to C, then what happen here? B and C also thermal equilibrium to each other. Thermal equilibrium to each other is called as a zeroth law of thermodynamics. What is the zeroth law of thermodynamics? Let us we have to consider the A comma B comma C 3 thermal sources or thermal substances, heat energies. So these systems can be what happen here. If any 2 systems are thermally equilibrium to each other, then then third system also equilibrium to the remaining systems is called as a zeroth law of thermodynamics. And if A equal to B and A equal to C, then B equal to C is comes. So this is the main concept of the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Then afterwards the first law of thermodynamics. What is the first law of thermodynamics is indicates. So the first law of thermodynamics can be represented by the dq equal to du plus dw. dq is the change of the heat energy, du is the internal energy, change of internal energy, and dw is the work done by the system. So here, okay, so total heat energy, supplied heat energy dq is equal to the sum of the change of the internal energy du plus work done by the system dw. So is called as a first law of thermodynamics. Is called what is here? First law of thermodynamics. As like okay, the first law of thermodynamics can be defined as the okay by using formula dq equal to du plus dw. Understand? The total okay, the change of the heat energy dq is equivalent to the sum of the internal change of the internal energy du plus external work done by the system dw is called as a okay the first law of thermodynamics. Okay, students. So today we are learned about the what is the fundamental parameters of the thermodynamics. Tomorrow we will discuss about the brief explanation of the okay its. Okay, thank you so much.